Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Alia Maharani. Thank you for the opportunity. So, I will explain the material about using learning media to increase learning motivation in elementary school. Learning is an activity undertaken with the aim of acquiring knowledge, mastering certain competencies, and forming student attitudes. The success of learning can be seen from the changes in behavior and student learning outcomes. Learning activities will run smoothly when students have the motivation to learn. According to Sardirman, 2012, motivation can be interpreted as the driving force that arises in the students that lead to learning activities, ensuring the continuity of the learning process and provide guidance in the learning process so that the learning objectives can be achieved. Motivation to learn is one of decisive factors in the achievement of learning objectives. Through learning motivation, students will have the drive to follow the ongoing learning process. Teachers have an important role in the process of improving students' learning motivation because teachers have a lot of time with students in school. Teachers can improve students' learning motivation by developing learning strategies as an external motivation for students to learn. Learning strategies include methods and media used in the learning process. Learning is a combination that is composed of human elements, materials, facilities, equipment, and procedures that affect each other in achieving the objectives of learning. In this case, the human elements in learning include students, teachers, education, personnel, and so forth. Material elements in learning include books, whiteboards, and so forth. Elements of facilities and equipment include classroom, laboratories, and so forth. While the elements of procedures include learning schedule, learning methods, and so forth. Learning media is anything that can be used to convey a message so as to stimulate students' feeling, thoughts, willingness, and attention and encourage the learning process. Miyarso, 2009. Meanwhile, according to Musfikon 2012, learning media can be defined as a tool in the form of a physical and non-physical, used teacher in conveying material to students to be more effective and efficient. The use of learning media is expected to be more quickly accepted student learning material as well as attract students to learn. So, the learning media can be interpreted as a tool of hardware or software used in the delivery of materials by teachers to students in the learning process. In learning, media is expected to make a more effective and efficient learning process in accordance with the purpose of learning. Functions and principles of media in learning. One of the functions of learning media is a tool in delivering the material in the learning process. Aside from being a tool for conveying materials in the process of learning, other functions in Ashar 2012 are as follows: A. Media as a learning resource. B. The semantic function is related to the word, term, sign, or symbol. C. Manipulative function. D. Fixative function. E. Distributive function. F. Psychological functions. And G. Sociocultural functions. The use of media in learning can overcome the social-cultural barriers between students with different customs, habits, environments, and experiences. While the principle of media usage in learning process according to Musfikon 2012 can be divided into three main principles, namely A. Principles effectiveness of efficiency. Effectiveness in the concept of learning is the achievement of a learning process in achieving learning objectives, while efficiency is to achieve learning objectives by using time, cost, facilities, or infrastructure, and other resources to a minimum. B. Principles of relevance. As a teacher, one should be able to choose the media that is compatible with the objectives, content, learning strategies, and evaluation of learning. And C. Principles of productivity. Practice in the learning process is the goal of optimal goals by utilizing natural resources and human resources are available. Type of learning media. Anita 2009 mentions there are several types of media, namely A. Non-projected visual media such as caricatures, illustrations, charts, graphs, diagrams, maps, and so on. B. Projected visual media such as slide or film frame, overhead projector or OHP, opaque projector, film strip or composite film. C. Audio media such as radio, optical media, tapes, telephones, and so on. D. Audiovisual media such as television and voice slides. E. Multimedia such as interactive media, hypermedia, virtual reality, and multimedia kits. The usefulness of media in learning. According to Sadiman, Raharjo, Haryono, and Harjito, 2012, in general education, media has several uses as follows. A. Clarify the presentation of information or message so as not to be too verbalistic, in the form of written or oral words. B. Overcome the limitations of space, time, and sense power. For example, objects that are too large can be replaced with pictures, films, and so on. C. The use of various educational media in the learning process will strengthen students' active attitudes and can motivate students to learn. And the last is, given the characteristic environments and experiences of students of different educational media can be used as tool for teachers. This is thanks to the same educational media, the same learning experiences, and providing the same stimulus to the students. Motivation to learn. A learning process should gain to the student as a center of activity. The engagement of the student in learning activity determines the success of learning. Ningsi Sucipto dan Sumarni 2017 said the learning effectives are very important in the learning process because learning is an activity or a process to acquire and strengthen personality. The engagement will also be drawn from motivation. Motivation is an energetic change within the person characterized by affective arousal and anticipatory goal reaction. Hamalik 2014. Motivation in the learning process can be divided into two, namely intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is the motivation derived from the student self, such as the desire to acquire knowledge, the desire to achieve learning goals, the drive to meet the learning needs, and so forth. The aims of this research are to analyze the learning process executed in elementary school, to find the main learning resources used by teachers, and explain the potential of school to create new learning resources, and supporting of learning process, especially to enhance students' motivation. The research methods used in observation, interview, and document analysis. Observation by Satori and Komaria 2011 is a data method used to collect research data through observation and sensing. This observation includes the process of learning in the classroom, completeness of facilities, and infrastructure in schools. This research found that in social science subject learning of those two schools in Purbalingga, A. The methods used in the learning process in class. E. Lectures, question and answer method, and discussion. This lecture method is more often used to describe abstract materials because of the lack supporting media to deliver the material. B. Learning resources used of other than teachers are books. The books serve as a source of material support delivered by the teacher, so the information obtained by students is less varied. Most of the students are also neglecting to read books that serve as a material presented by the teacher. C. The school has been completed by several ICT supported technologies. The school has utilized computer, LCD, and audio set in all classes to support instructional activity. Unfortunately, those equipments have not been utilized to support learning materials optimally. The learning process carried out in schools is not free from the constraints faced by teachers and students. Some of the obstacles that often arise are the method of learning used by the teachers is still traditional and students' learning resources are still limited to the book. Learning methods that are still monotonous and can collaborate with the learning media so that the learning process becomes more varied. As for the lack of learning resources can be overcome with the use of technology in the learning process. In classroom lessons, other than appropriate learning methods, teachers can also need to use appropriate instructional media. Learning media is media used as a tool to convey material or information from teachers to students. In addition, the learning media also serves as a tool to stimulate students' learning interest so that students' learning motivation is expected to increase. Learning media can be audio media, visual media, or video. Yusuf Aini and Pertiwi 2016. Learning media in the learning process aims to equate students' perception of the material presented. This research outlines the findings that the didactic method is still become the option to deliver material. Conventionally, this chosen method was assumed as the reason for the lack of learning motivation of students in correlation with the results of students' final report of social science subject. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.